Let's see. Hi guys, so I never filmed the intro for this video. I'm actually in my apartment, but in this video I'm just doing a little day in my life, which this whole day was me packing. This was on Sunday. It is now Wednesday, so I've been in the apartment for a couple days. But yeah, I packed up for the move. I moved into my own apartment with my boyfriend, so yeah. I look really rough. I woke up like an hour ago or so, and yeah, but I never filmed the intro, so hi, welcome. This is packing. Let's get into the video. Today is a really fun day. We have a U-Haul coming today. We are packing up. We move out tomorrow. Tomorrow's the 1st. Today's Sunday, but we're moving out tomorrow and a U-Haul's coming and we're gonna pack that up. I'm gonna vlog it and I'm super excited. What's happening today? I'm about to eat breakfast. My parents made pancakes and bacon and sausage and stuff. So I'm gonna eat that and then I need to get ready, put some makeup on maybe a little bit. And so I could film for the rest of the day. I'm breaking out so bad. Hopefully my new skincare will help it, but I don't know. I'm so excited. We're packing up everything. We don't have like a crazy amount of stuff, but I should get it all in there one trip tomorrow. We get the U-Haul today at 3 and we have to return it tomorrow at 3. But we'll get everything in one trip. We have to take apart my bed frame, get all of that prepared, pack up kind of on the porch. We're gonna pretty much put everything in the order so that when we get to truck at 3 o'clock, we can pack it up and get ready for tomorrow. I'm so excited. Oh my god, it's finally here. I feel like I've been waiting forever, even though it's not been like a crazy amount of time I've been waiting. It just feels that way, you know, when you're excited for something and then like it feels like dragged on and on. Oh, my phone is in the frame. But yeah, that's the plan today. I'm gonna vlog today. So this is like a 2-day, like a 1.5 day vlog. Since yesterday I barely filmed anything, but yeah, that's what's up. So I just ate breakfast. I'm gonna put a little bit of makeup on just because I'm filming today and, you know, I want to feel good in front of the camera. And I just, hello. Oh, okay, there we go. I'm like breaking out, so hate that for me, but yeah, I'm gonna put a little bit of makeup on. Okay, I'm unloading, not unloading, but taking all this stuff off because I'm going to take this little shelfie shelf. So, yeah. That was really easy. Hopefully my camera stays alive throughout this video. We'll see, but that was easy. Oh my god, look how bare. Back down and that mirror. Like, look at this wall. It's so plain. Am I even focused? Okay, now I'm going to clear out my nightstand so I can bring that out because I'm also bringing my nightstand. So, yeah. Here, I need to set you up somewhere. I don't know where. Good enough. Okay, I'm gonna clean the nightstand. It's incredibly dusty, so. Don't mind the mess, but look at this freaking wall. It's bare. Okay, so my room's looking wonky as heck. Here's this room with everything that was in it. Gone. Still messy. We have a bunch of random stuff and clothes and stuff. Here's all our stuff. Craziness. Picking up the U-Haul at 3. It's like, I don't know what time even it is right now, but yeah.
To make that turn, there's no way we're gonna pull that through the hallway.
My mattress. Oh my god, period stain. Don't look at it. All this stuff. I've shown you this like 100 times. But here's my bed. We're taking it apart and putting in the U-Haul. Oh my god, let me show you the U-Haul. Here's the U-Haul. Big, giant, massive U-Haul. U-Haul. Okay, we'll see if I can do anything with that. But yeah, it's the U-Haul, and we're about to pack it up. Of course, I'll film. I'm so excited. This is so exciting. But yeah. Are you on the U-Haul? Are you on the U-Haul truck? Are you on the U-Haul truck? Oh, lady. Is this an invasion of privacy? Oh yeah, kick it out, girlfriend. Okay.
Now, once you get out there, turn around and let me go on the ramp first. Okay. This is actually going against the wall right here.
This room is, the floors are really kind of messy, but it is freaking empty. I'm so excited. I don't know how this looks because it's the funny angle, but yeah.
Actually, you won't believe if you find it. Quit.
No.
It's your birthday?
What? Oh yeah, get that mattress.
Hey, honey.
Hey, honey.
I got this.
Hey, this gets off of it and it can be washed. Oh my god.
What? No, you'd never get it back on like
Oh,
that.
you probably. But you see
I'll
how
help
it
Bradley real quick.
Oh my god. One arm is so much stronger looking than the other.
What'd you say?
So my period stain on. It looks so bad. Did I lock you out because you keep trying to escape? Because you don't know how to stay away from the road, so I lock you out here. Yes. I let you in, I let you in, I let you in, I let you in. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, want a cookie? All packed up. Okay, so here's my room currently. We're about all packed up. It's getting late. We're about to eat dinner, and then tomorrow is the big move, which I'll have a move-in vlog for you guys, but a different video from this one. This was just like my day, might last 2-ish days, but day of my life. This is the last of the stuff I'm throwing in my car. Here's this room, just an overview of what I left and stuff. But yeah, I'm so excited. So I have my outfit for tomorrow and stuff. We still have to pack up like his work shirts, some extra clothes and stuff. But yeah, I'm so excited, and I'm just so excited. I'll go show you guys the truck right now, and then I'm gonna end the video probably. That was, oh, don't look at my dirty feet. That was today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like it and subscribe for the move-in content and just all of my content. It's fun. It's a good time here. But yeah, like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. I love you. Look forward to the moving vlog. I'll be filming tomorrow. Yeah, thank you so much. I love you, and goodbye.